खातिनो हजरात, आप प्रोग्राम के आखिरी लम्हात में पाक चीन दोस्ती को सलाम पेश करने के लिए रूट स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स के तशरीफ लाते हैं। इन बच्चों की आवाज सारी पाकिस्तान की आवाज है। पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन दोस्ती पाइंदाबाद।
Zungkinga gawe, Lingtao gawe laifi. Pakistan heizumendi, Xinjiang taipiola, Chuan Pakistan rendi, Xinjiang. Shaman rangumen lai, ting ting heizumendi da. Ha chong yo yi wan sui.
Ha chong yo yi wan sui. Ba chong yo yi wan sui. Wan sui, wan sui, wan sui. Wan sui, wan sui, wan sui. Paak Chin dosti zindabad. Paak Chin dosti zindabad. Zindabad, zindabad, zindabad. Chin और तमाम चीनियों के नाम. चीन और तमाम चीनियों के नाम. पाक सरजमीन के अवाम का सलाम. पाक सरजमीन के अवाम का सलाम. बाजों यो ही wan sui. बाजों यो ही wan sui. Wan sui, wan sui, wan sui. Wan sui, wan sui, wan sui. Paak Chin dosti zindabad. Paak Chin dosti zindabad. Zindabad, zindabad, zindabad. Zindabad, zindabad, zindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, now there is a small awards ceremony. Now I request Ms. Secretary Foreign Affairs, Mr. Salman Bashir, to kindly come up on the stage and read out the citation of the distinguished Chinese guests being awarded tonight for their outstanding services in regard of Pak-China relations.
Mr. President, I seek your permission to commence the special presentation ceremony of the Friendship Medal. May I request His Excellency Mr. Wang Chen, the Special Envoy of the People's Republic of China, Ambassador Liu Jian, People's Republic of China, and Mr. Huang Xulian to join me on the dais. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to read the citation for His Excellency Mr. Wang Chen. In this year of friendship, commemorating the 60th anniversary of the establishment of the diplomatic relations between Pakistan and China, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the Special Friendship Medal for Chinese dignitaries. His Excellency Mr. Wang Chen, Minister of the State Council, Information Office, is representing the People's Republic of China in this historic commemorative ceremony being held at the Evan Sadr today. His Excellency Mr. Wang Chen is an old friend of the people of Pakistan. Throughout his distinguished career, he has made outstanding contribution in taking Pakistan-China friendship and strategic cooperative partnership to new heights. The people and the government of Pakistan highly value the splendid contribution to Pakistan-China friendship made by His Excellency Mr. Wang Chen. In recognition thereof, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer upon the distinguished Special Envoy of the People's Republic of China the Friendship Medal. The citation for Ambassador Mr. Liu Jian reads as follows. The President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to award the Special Friendship Medal to the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Mr. Liu Jian. Ambassador Liu Jian is a true friend of Pakistan. As the resident ambassador of the People's Republic of China, Mr. Liu Jian and his team of dedicated officers and staff continue to hold high the banner of China-Pakistan friendship. The ambassador and all officials of the Chinese Embassy in Islamabad and its Consulate General in Karachi continue to make valuable contribution to the further enhancing of the China-Pakistan strategic cooperative partnership and to the further strengthening of friendship between the Chinese people and the people of Pakistan. In recognition of the outstanding contribution made by His Excellency Ambassador Liu Jian, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer the Friendship Medal on Ambassador Liu Jian. The third citation is for the Deputy Head of Mission of the Chinese Embassy, Mr. Huang Xilian. The President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer the Special Friendship Medal on Mr. Huang Xilian, the Deputy Head of Mission of the People's Republic of China in Islamabad. Throughout his distinguished diplomatic career in the Chinese Foreign Service, Mr. Huang Xilian has demonstrated outstanding commitment to strengthening of the cooperative ties between China and Pakistan. Deeply imbued with the spirit of China-Pakistan friendship, which is deeply rooted in the minds and the hearts of the people of the two countries, Mr. Huang Xilian continues to make an outstanding contribution to imparting ever greater vigor and vitality to China-Pakistan relations in all domains. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to enhance Pakistan-China friendship and to further strengthening of the existing special relations between the two brotherly countries, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer the Friendship Medal on Mr. Huang Xilian. May I request you, Mr. President, to present the medals. Now, a short announcement. The President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has also decided to confer the special friendship medals on the Chinese leadership, including President Hu Jintao, Premier Wen Jiabao, and other dignitaries on this special occasion. The medals will be presented by our embassy in Beijing. With this, we come to the end of the presentation ceremony. Thank you.
Congratulations and thank you, sir. To conclude, I thank all the guests for their participation tonight.